Welcome to my course that will teach you the 10 incredibly effective Facebook marketing strategies I use to gain thousands of followers every month and hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. My name's Nick Swami and I'm an entrepreneur with a collection of online companies that each generate up to $45,000 per month, a lot of which comes from Facebook. So what are my 10 Facebook strategies for success? You'll be getting live on-screen video demonstrations for each of them throughout this course. Number 1, you'll learn how to optimize your Facebook page so that you have the fundamentals in place for explosive growth. Number 2, you'll learn how to optimize your content to get the best reactions, create the biggest impact, and maximize your chances of going viral. Number 3, you'll learn how to ethically hack everyone's Facebook feed, which can rapidly boost your engagement, number of followers, and results. Number 4, you'll learn how to target post notifications to ensure that your followers always see your post before anyone else's. Number 5, you'll learn how to arrange great shout-outs and shout-for-shouts, which can literally create Facebook success stories overnight. Number 6, you'll learn how to get your content reposted by huge Facebook pages which have millions of followers for free. Number 7, you'll learn how to host competitions that people go wild for, which can generate thousands of likes, comments, shares, follows, and sales very quickly. Number 8, you'll learn how to leverage Facebook groups, which are incredibly powerful for learning, building relationships, and promoting yourself. Number 9, you'll learn how to use Facebook advertising to skyrocket your results, whether it's for gaining new followers, maximizing engagement on your content, getting signups, or making a lot of sales. And finally, number 10, you'll learn how to use the network effect, which is a very powerful way to expand your Facebook empire and set yourself up for exponential growth in the future. So, if you're a social media influencer, an entrepreneur, a business, or any type of organization that wants to absolutely crush it on Facebook, then this course is for you. See you on the other side.